Hello friends, welcome to Wealth Tree Universal. If you are new in this channel, you can subscribe this channel and also hit the bell icon so you will get the notification timely. Friends, today we will discuss about the important topic of technical analysis, candlestick chart pattern. This is a fourth video of stock market course, and if you want to become a consistent profitable in stock market, you have to learn the candlestick chart very well. So let me start. First question arises, what is a candlestick? Candlestick is a financial chart that shows the price movement of any security, derivative and currency, and it show according to the time frame you are using in the chart. So let's see. There are example of two candlesticks. The first one in green candle, it show the bullish signal, and second one is a bearish candle that show the bearish signal. This red candle show the bearish signal, and what happened, let's see clearly. This is a bullish candle. When price open here and close here, like stock open at 80 rupees and make a low of 70 rupees and make a high of 100 rupees and close at 90 rupees, then this candle form in this way. Like in the morning, candle open at 80 rupees, it touch lower 70, then goes up of 100 level and again come back and close at a 90 level. Then this open and close become a body of this candle, and this lower and this lower become this is a lower shadow and this shadow is a upper shadow. You can also say the lower wick and upper wick. In the similar way, in bearish candle open here at the price of, like we can take an example of it open at 100 level, it touch 110 and price not sustain here and goes down and it touch the level of 80 and again buying happened and stock close at the price of 90. Then this is the open point at 100 and closing point at 90. Then this become a body of a candle, and this is the lower shadow and this is the upper shadow, or you can also say this is a lower wick and upper wick, and this is a real body of both candlesticks. So you can know how the body occur and how the shadow occur in any candlestick, and it is a very essential. If you want to learn a candlestick chart, then you should know how candle form, how this wick form, how this body form. It is a very basic concept, and until you don't know about the basic, you are not able to become a profitable through candlestick chart. So I also again give another example. There is a candle and there is a wick. This is the open price. If this is a bullish candle, then stock open here and touch this level and go high at that level and closing give at that level. Like this is 100, this is 90 and this is 120 and stock closes as 110. Then this body form, and this is a lower and upper shadow. In the similar way, in bearish candle, stock price open here and it goes down and up at that level, down at that level, and this is a real body and this is a lower shadow and upper shadow in the rear side. And there is also another type of candlestick. You can see stock price open here, it not go up, it directly goes down and candlestick is formed like that. This is also a type of candlestick. In the similar way, also in bullish candle, stock price open here, not goes down and it goes up and it become like that. This is a bullish candle. And you can also, there is another example of candlestick we can say is the bullish. If there is a no wick in upper and lower shadow, this is called a bullish Marubozu. And if red color candle appear like that, this candle is known as a bearish Marubozu. So let me discuss on the chart. I open the Zerodha platform and we can see here the charting platform. When I click on the chart style, we can see there are a lot of option. We have candlestick, we have a bar, like if we select bar, this appear like that, and we select colored bar, it's appear in like that. And there is also hello candles is appearing like that, and there is also a mountain, it's appearing like that. And line chart is appearing in like that. It's the according to the price movement line is drawing. And there is another is Heiken-SE. You can also see Heiken-SE. We will learn Heiken-SE later on when we have to use Heiken-SE. You can see there is a different type of chart pattern. Today we mainly focus on the candle. It's a Japani candlesticks, and this is a very reliable and useful for the stock market. And another concept is what is the time frame. You can see there is a different time frame. So what type of a time frame we have to choose to do the trading. So it depend upon our horizon. What we are going to do. We are going to do the intraday, swing trade, positional trade, or long term trade. So according to, if you are going to do the intraday trade, then you have to take the 5 minute to 1 hour candle according to your comfortable. In which time frame you are comfort, you will take your time frame according to that. Those who are beginning can take the 15-minute time frame, and according to your expert and your setup, you can use the time frame accordingly. And those who want to do the positional trade, they can take the time frame of hourly, 2-3 hours, or 1 day, till 1 day. Those who want to do the swing trade or positional trade, and those who want to do the long term, they can see the daily to monthly, daily, weekly, and monthly chart. These are the time frame you have to use during your. So we will discuss about the type of candlesticks. So there are mainly 3 type of candlestick. One is a single candlestick, another is a double candlestick, and last one is a triple candlestick. And the combination of these candlestick, we find many different type of candlestick charts. So let we discuss about each of one by one. The first candlestick type is hammer. And what happened? Hammer is like there is a small body and big beak. It's also similar like a hammer you have seen at your home. So there is a important point when it occur. If there is a long downtrend, and also a support area, then it is very effectively. Hammer work very effectively. If hammer candlestick form after a downtrend and at the support level, then you can enter at this level. If hammer, and when another, it is a confirmation that your stock will be go up, and you can enter here and you can enjoy the profit. And this is a important candlestick chart pattern. It's a single type of candlestick, and you will get a huge benefit in this if you learn how it form. And you have to only remember 2 things. One is downtrend, if another is there is a support area, then you will get maximum return. You can see the latest chart of 40s. There is a hammer form and stock trading at 160, and it's move around 220 within a few days. Then you can see how it work. Next is inverse hammer, or we can also say inverted hammer. It's also a bullish candlestick. We will discuss now bullish candlestick. Later on we will discuss about the bearish candlestick. There is only same downtrend or maybe support area, and this type of a pattern form, then this is a inverse handle. There is a one bearish candle. After that, you can see this is a inverse handle, is the opposite of hammer, and there is a bullish candle. Then when you have to take an entry, then this candle cross this beak of the inverse handle, you can take your position and you will enjoy the maximum profit in this trade. and where you have to put the stop loss, you can put your stop loss at that level. And if you using a short frame, then you can also use at that level. But if you use for big profit, then you can use this as your stop loss and you can get maximum profit in this trade. You can see here, this is a Indian hotel chart. It's a recent chart, and you can say how this is a inverse handle form here, and the price range is 95 rupees. And after that you can see price is moving up, and when you have to take the entry, as earlier I said, when this candlestick is cross this line. This line is formed at the price of 102. When it's cross 102, you can see the price of 118, and this is a confirm entry. Then you will enter here. The chance of hitting your stop loss is very low. Your stop loss is 95 rupees and your target is 118 rupees. Is a short term target. Long term you will get more. You can see stock is still in the strong bullish area. You will see more upside in this stock. And before proceeding further, I will like to tell you, I have also a Welltree public Telegram channel. You can join this channel free of cost and you will get very important notification through this channel. I have posted also a stock recommendation when you have to buy any stock and when you have to exit from any stock. You can get this notification all the time during the market hours. And the next candlestick pattern is a bullish engulf. What is a bullish engulf? Bullish engulf candlestick pattern is when there is a one bearish candle and another candle is bullish, and this candle size is bigger than the previous candle, and this candle engulf the whole previous candle, means it cover whole previous candle. Then this candle is known as a bullish engulf candle. And when it form after a downtrend or maybe at support area, then it work very well. And you can see, you can take a entry when cross this line, peak of this line, and you will get a huge return, and you can put your stop loss here and you will get maximum return in this pattern. This is a bullish engulf. And next is pricing line. What happened? Pricing line, you will be see there, it's also formed after a downtrend and maybe near the support area. Maybe downtrend or maybe support area. So what happened? There is a strong bearish candle form, and the next day there is a gap down opening. Friends, please remember this point. There is a gap down opening. This candlestick open at that level. Previous candlestick close at that level, and this candlestick open. This is the opening of bullish candle, and price goes high and it crossed the half area of the previous candle. It crossed the half area of previous candle. Then this is known as a pricing line. Means if there is a downtrend, support area, seller are exit and buyer are entering in the particular stock, and the buyer are strong in this level and they start buying the stock, and there is a more chance to stock goes up from that level. So this is a pricing chart, pricing line. You can make a profit in this if you learn this very well. Next is a morning star. So what is a morning star? This candlestick pattern also form after a downtrend or maybe in the support area. These are two things that you have to remember always. When you doing charting, this is the basic thing. There is a downtrend and there is a support area. What is a morning star? You can see this area. There is a strong bearish candle, and after that doji small candle with small wick and small body, and another day there is a big bullish candle. and you have to remember this body of those bearish and bullish candle not cover the body of this doji, then it is a perfect pattern. Or when this cross the previous high of the bearish candle, you can take your entry and you will get a very good return in this particular stock. Next, a 3 white shoulder. 3 white shoulder also occur after a downtrend or maybe near the support area. And what is this? It make a higher high, higher low, higher high and higher low. This is a higher high. This is a high of first candle, high of second candle, high of third candle. This means higher high and low. This is the low of first candle, low of second candle, low of third. Higher high and higher low. If you see there is a downtrend in any stock, and after a downtrend you see this type of a pattern, those continuously there is a 3 bullish candle and those more make a higher high and higher low, it will the strong sign of a potential direction is up direction, and you can enter and you can get a huge profit in this pattern. Next we will discuss about the bearish candlesticks. The first candlestick is hanging man. It's similar like a hammer. There is no difference in color, and also it's similar look like a hammer. There is no difference in color or its formation, but the major difference you have to understand here. If you understand the basic thing, then you will learn 60% of candlesticks. The major difference is this only: it form after a uptrend or maybe there is a resistance area. In the hammer we will learn about its form about downtrend and maybe support area, and inverted hammer form at the resistance or maybe after uptrend. So when it form at the uptrend, this type of candlesticks, and you will this is a confirmation. When price goes below this line, you will short this and you will get more downfall on this candlesticks. So it's a very important topic, but you have to understand this form maybe near the resistance or maybe after a long uptrend. Next candlestick is a shooting star. Shooting star is also similar like a inverted hammer, but mainly difference is only it form after a uptrend or maybe near the resistance area, and then it form like it is also similar. There is a strong bullish candle and after inverted hammer form, and another candle is open below this body of the inverted hammer. This is a confirmation and you can enter and you will get a huge profit. There is a more downside in this trade. Next, a bearish engulf. Bearish engulfing, it is opposite of bullish engulf. It also form after a uptrend or maybe near the resistance area. There is a bullish candle, and next candle is bearish candle, and this body of the bearish candle is bigger than the earlier bullish candle. It cover whole previous bullish candle, then it become a bearish engulf. This is also like that. If you can see, if it is like that, then it's also work very well. It cover the whole body of the previous candle. Then you can see the more downfall here. And next is the evening star. Evening star is also opposite of the morning star. Morning star occur after the downtrend, evening star occur after the uptrend. When there is a uptrend and you can see there is a bullish candle and the small doji candle occur, and the next candle is a bearish candle, it confirms that this is a evening star, and this candle is give you confirmation you can sell here and you will get the maximum profit. And your stop loss may be this, or you can also use this. Three black crows. It's also, you have heard about the white shoulder. This is a three black crow, and the difference is only it occur after a long uptrend or maybe nearby the resistance area. If in the white shoulder you have seen the higher high and higher low, there is a opposite of it, make the lower low and lower high, means it became this is a lower, another lower low, lower low, another low is this one, this is also a lower low, and the lower high. Early previous candle high is this, and next candle high is this, the next candle is, so it means lower high. When it make a, when after a strong uptrend you have seen there is a continuously three bearish candle form, and these candle make a lower low and lower high, then it is a sign of strong reversal, and you will see the strong reversal here. You can sell and you can get a profit over there. And next candlestick pattern is a dark cloud cover. It's also similar like the pricing line, and but difference is only it form after the long uptrend or maybe at the resistance area. And what happened in this, this is a bullish candle and this is a bearish candle. So what happened, there is a long uptrend and this candle is formed, and the next day there is a gap up opening. During the pricing line we heard about the gap down opening, but in this there is a gap up opening. Stock price open here, goes but not sustain up and down and close there. And this concept is also like that, the like this cover the half price of that body. This means it show the bearishness, and ki buyer exited and seller are happy on the particular stock at this level. So what you have to do, you have to exit. This is a confirmation. When the another candle is formed below this candle, this is a confirmation. You can enter this trade here and you can put your stop loss here, and you will get a huge downfall here. And this how we can use this type of chart pattern. I also tell you about where you have to took entry and where have to took stop loss and how you will get the profit. And if you have any question, you can write me in comment box. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe this channel, and also hit the bell icon. Thank you.